This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we're going to make some perfect steamed rice. So there's different ways of making steamed rice. I've used the pot, I've used the rice cooker, and today we're using the Instant Pot. So there's a few things you need to know to make perfect steamed rice. So let's get started. So just check the description below in my Chinese cooking accessory guide. You'll find different ingredients and items used in Chinese cooking, as well as the wok that I use and this Instant Pot that I use. So first you start off with the rice. So I'm going to put a cup and a half of rice to a cup and a half of water. So I'm going to rinse the rice off in cold water first. So this little gadget is really good because it drains the rice this way. So just need to do this maybe 4 or 5 times so the water is kind of clear. So just drain off the water, so we're ready for the next step. So I'm going to put the rice into the rice cooker. So just take a spatula and put the rice in the rice cooker. So once you put the rice into the rice cooker, I'm going to add equal amount of water. So it's a cup and a half of rice. I'm going to put a cup and a half of water in there. So because the rice is already wet, it's going to be slightly more than a 1-to-1 ratio. But that's okay. I usually just measure a cup and a half of rice to a cup and a half of water. So just give that a little bit of a shake just to even out the rice. So you can just tell by looking at the level, it just covers the rice. If you get to the point where you can just eyeball it, you don't need to actually measure the rice, but I like to measure it evenly so that way you get the same consistency every time you cook rice. Now we're going to put the lid on. You can see the pressure valve. It goes in the back. So on the front it'll tell you to close or open. So in the front it says close or open, so you turn it left to close. So once you close it on this model, it just locks by itself. 5 minutes. Okay, you got pressure cook high. You want to go no delay, keep warm. Okay, so we got it pressure cook high for 5 minutes. We're going to keep it warm. So we'll press the start button now. And there it is. So let's see how the rice turned out. Ooh, looks pretty good. So just take a spatula and just turn the rice. So it looks pretty good. It's not sticking to the bottom. All the rice is cooked through. I'm quite happy with the results. So just fluff up the rice a bit here. So look at it, it's nice and fluffy. So some people like the rice a little more firm, so just add less water. And if you want it even more soft, add more water. But I try to keep to the 1-to-1 ratio for myself. So rice, according to my standard, is perfect. There you have it. Perfect steamed rice using the Instant Pot. Enjoy. The recipes you get now is what I call stay-at-home recipes. This is what I have in my fridge, and if you have any suggestions, let me know. Put it in the comments in the section below, and be sure to give me a like, and be sure to subscribe, and make sure you click the bell so I can keep giving you more videos.